Good morning, dear students. Last topic I have completed different kinds of motion, and in this different kinds of motion I have completed translatory motion, and I told you to translatory motion is of two types. Means motion of translation is of two types. First one is the rectilinear motion, and the second one is the curvilinear motion. And I have given definition about the translatory motion and what is the rectilinear motion with examples, and in last topic I have explained curvilinear motion, examples and definitions. And now I will tell you what is circulatory motion. So next topic in the different kinds of motion is the circulatory motion or rotatory motion. What is the circulatory motion or what is the rotatory motion? Circulatory or rotatory motion. Circulatory or rotatory motion. A motion in which a body moves about a fixed axis without changing its position is called the rotatory motion. What is the rotatory motion? A motion in which a body moves about a fixed axis without changing its position is called the rotatory motion. Its position is not changing, and this type of motion is called the circulatory or rotatory motion. First example, you can take example of switch on a table fan, and what do you notice? The blades of the fan starts moving. You will see the blades of the fan starts moving in a circle about a fixed axis. Such a motion is called the rotatory motion. This type of motion is called the rotatory motion. More examples of the rotatory motion. First example is the spinning wheel. Spinning wheel. Spinning wheel or charkha. Spinning wheel or charkha. Next example is the spinning top. Spinning top. Third example is the potter's wheel. Potter's wheel. And in this fourth example is a ceiling fan. In these examples, if we will see, then we can see that position will not change. Position will not change. And examples of rotatory motion, you will see spinning wheel or charkha, spinning top, potter's wheel, a ceiling fan. All these example of the circulatory motion or rotatory motion. Next is one more example in this, the earth revolving around the sun. Earth revolving around the sun. Earth revolving around the sun, or moon revolving around the earth, or moon revolving around earth. All these examples of the circular motion or rotatory motion. In this we learned that examples of rotatory motion. First example is the spinning wheel or charkha. Second example is the spinning top. Third example is the potter's wheel. fourth one is the ceiling fan, and fifth is the earth revolving around the sun or the moon revolving around the earth. And in some cases I will draw one diagram how earth revolving around the sun. I will draw you, then you can easily understand. This is the diagram, and in this diagram you will see that the earth revolving around the sun. Earth revolving around the sun. This is the example of the circular motion or rotatory motion. And in some cases we see that the motion of rotation and motion of translation occur at the same time. Motion of rotation and translation both are occur at the same time. And when a drill cuts through a metal piece, it performs the motion of translation. As well as the motion of rotation at the same time. And similarly, a ball delivered by a spin bowler describes the motion of translation as well as the motion of rotation. Other examples of this kind of motion are wheel of a moving bicycle, or a scooter or a car or a train. In this second one, circular motion or rotatory motion completed, I have given examples. First example was a spinning wheel, second example was a spinning top, third example was a potter's wheel, fourth example was ceiling fan, fifth example was earth revolving around the sun or the moon revolving around the earth. Now next example is the oscillatory motion. Next motion is the oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Some objects move as a whole to and fro. Some objects move as a whole to and fro or back and forth. Along the same path same path without any change in shape. Without any change in shape, the motion of such objects is called the oscillatory motion. The motion of such object is called the oscillatory motion. Some objects move as a whole, that is the to or fro or back and forth along the same path without any change in shape. The motion of such object is called the oscillatory motion. I will give you some examples in this. Oscillatory motion, a boy on a swing. This is the to and fro, and this is the in the same direction is the back and forth. So first example in this, a boy on a swing. Boy on a swing. Boy on a swing. And second example in this, the pendulum of a clock. Pendulum of a clock. Pendulum of a clock. In this you will see that pendulum of a clock and boy on a swing. And next example is the needle of a swing machine. Needle of a swing machine moving up and down. Needle of a swing machine. Needle of a swing machine. Needle of a swing machine moving up and down. And similarly the piston of a motor car. Similarly, next example is the piston of a motor car. Piston of motor car. Piston of motor car. So in this example, in the definition, we seen that first example, a boy on a swing, pendulum of a clock, needle of a swing machine, and piston of a motor car. The pressing cylinder of a juice. Similarly, the piston of a motor car, the pressing cylinder of a juice machine at a fruit seller shop, the piston of a spray pump, etc. all performs oscillatory motion. All perform oscillatory motion. So three kinds of motion completed. That is the first one is the translation, and it is of two kinds. First one is the rectilinear and curvilinear. Second one was circulatory or rotatory, and next one is the oscillatory. So these different kinds of motion you have to read. You have to read it, and you have to learn it also.